What up, boys? What's going on? Back in another video today. We're gonna be installing a high pressure fuel pump. It's been a little bit since I've posted. That's my bad. I just got a new job, so I've been a little busy with that. And also the weather's been shitty, but right now it still looks pretty shitty, but the weather's really good. It's 60 degrees out right now. The high 70 today. It's gonna be pretty nice. Without much more talking, let's just get into the video. So this is everything you guys are gonna need for this job. If you guys take off the intake manifold, you guys are gonna need new O-rings for that. I'm gonna try to get away with just leaving it on, hopefully being able to change it underneath without having to remove all of that. Hopefully this is just a quick and easy job. We all know how that goes though, so we'll see. You're gonna need to go out and get an extended torque set. I got this from Advanced Auto Parts. In the US they call it Starbit, but it's pretty much the same as Torx, so this will work. You're also gonna need a new high pressure fuel pump. I got this from FCP Euro. The link will be in the description. This is a genuine BMW part. I'm not gonna make a step-by-step video. I'm just gonna show you guys the process just because my car is gonna be a little different than a stock one. I'm just gonna get started.
Rev Range just kissed my lips. I live for moments like this. Steady rain, girl, I know you won't miss. I wish that you aim for the blood of my heart, yeah. And you know what you're doing. You know that it hurts the worst, but I'll stand through the pain of it all.
Alright boys, we're back. I got everything done. My camera ended up dying, so I didn't get the last part recorded. Everything's buttoned up. She's all good. So I think we're going to start it up right now. Alright boys, we're at pressurized PSI. I'm going to try and start it, and we'll see how it goes. Damn, she's smoking. What the fuck? What up, boys? She's all warmed up now. We're about to get on the highway. See how she does. Oh my god! Holy shit! That felt. Fucking damn, dude! Holy shit! This thing is ripping. Oh my god! This map feels fucking good. Holy shit! Alright, boys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. It looked like it was running good on MHD. I'm gonna send JS out the log. Other than that, I don't really have much for you guys. I'll see you guys later. Hopefully you guys had a good week. I'll definitely be more consistent with uploading, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Hopefully you guys enjoy. See you guys soon. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Peace out.
In the neighborhood.